सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते.
Hello everyone. What if I told you that you can create AI videos for your YouTube and Instagram page for free? Stick around because I'll show you exactly how to do that in just 3 steps. The AI video revolution is here, but what was just a cool experiment earlier has now become a game-changing necessity literally overnight. So let's start. For the first step, we are heading to ChatGPT. And here's the best part. You don't need the paid version. The free version works perfectly for this. Here's exactly what you need to type. Create a complete visual description for your video topic. In my case, I've kept it specific to Navratri. Hit enter and watch the magic happen. ChatGPT will give you an incredibly detailed, vivid description that reads like a professional movie script. It gives you the complete backdrop, character details, and the atmosphere. Now comes the exciting part. Copy that entire description from ChatGPT and head over to Microsoft Designer, which is completely free to use. Simply paste your description into the prompt box and hit generate. Within seconds, you will see 4 different image options, each interpreting your description in a unique way. The AI takes every detail from your ChatGPT description and transforms it into professional quality artwork. Choose the image that best captures your vision and download it. This image will serve as a foundation for your video. Now, the final step. Head to Pixverse AI and you will see 2 options, a text prompt box and an image upload button. Do both. Paste the same description you used in ChatGPT and upload the image you downloaded from Microsoft Designer. Click generate and wait just a few seconds. What you will see next will blow your mind. Your static image transforms into a dynamic moving video with natural motion, realistic light changes, and cinematic camera movements. While Pixverse isn't entirely free, here's the genius part. You can watch short ads to earn reward points, which you can then use to generate videos. It's essentially free if you don't mind watching a few 15-second ads. In less than 10 minutes, using these free AI tools, you can create professional quality videos that would have normally taken hours or even days. The key is understanding how to leverage each tool's strength and maintain consistency across your workflow. Try this method right now. Pick a simple topic, follow these 3 steps, and see what you can create. The results might surprise you. If this tutorial helped you create something amazing, make sure to subscribe for more AI productivity tips like this.